You're listening to Rebecca Maschke from IQPC, and I'm speaking today with Jan Matthiesen, the Offshore Renewables Technology Acceleration Manager at Carbon Trust in the UK. Good morning, Jan.
Good morning, Rebecca.
Jan, could you briefly explain the background to the Carbon Trust Foundation Accelerator Program?
Yeah, of course. But before I go into the background of the Offshore Wind Accelerator, let me just outline to you a little bit the challenges that we face with offshore wind in the UK. We did a piece of research within the Carbon Trust, and that piece of research looked at the cost that is required to deploy offshore wind. And we estimate that to build out a wind farm for round 3 in UK waters, it requires an investment of around £75 billion. And so £75 billion is a massive investment. And you can compare this to building around 8 channel tunnels, the tunnels between France and the UK. So eight of them over 10 years. So this £75 billion, this massive investment, need to be reduced. And we think it can be reduced down to £45 billion. So a reduction of around 30 billion if the right locations are found for development, and also if technology is optimized, so there's a need for more R&D activity. And that is exactly where the Offshore Wind Accelerator comes in. So the Offshore Wind Accelerator, is an R&D program with the objective to reduce the cost of offshore wind by 10%, basically driving down the investment cost I talked about earlier. So the Offshore Wind Accelerator is a collaboration between the Carbon Trust and 8 of the main developers for UK offshore wind, and these are Dong Energy, E.ON, RWE, Mainstream, SSE, Scottish Power, Statoil and Statkraft. Then all of them are representing around 60% of the license of round 3 sites. So the program is around 4-year commitment, and the total budget is £40 million. And we are really concentrating on 4 main areas. So we're looking at the new foundation designs, we're looking at electrical systems, at wake effects, and also at access system, how to get people to the wind farms in more harsh environments. So it's basically the background about the OWA.